Hi, everybody. My name is Diana. No, not really. But Diana wrote such a beautiful poem and paragraph. I'm going to use hers to show you how to put your personal introduction and your poem into your eBinder. So the first thing I want you to do is open up your assignment 106 and have it open on one tab. And then I want you to open up your eBinder on another tab. On this page right here, I'm still on edit mode. And I can tell because I have all of this, this edit bar over here to the side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click inside here and I'm gonna pretend that I didn't do any of this. And in fact, I'm going to pretend that I don't even have this text box here. Okay, so what you're going to do, hopefully you have your picture uploaded. Hopefully you have your name here. So very, very simple. What I'm going to do is I can either go over here and click text box, or I can double click and I'll get this little fast menu. And then in the middle, I can click the T for text box. It's going to create a text box here, and then I can make it whatever size font that I want. I'm going to keep it right now at normal text because that's probably the perfect size. I'm going to have this highlighted, open and ready. I'm going to go back to my personal introduction and poem, and I'm going to highlight my poem. I'm going to Control C, click inside here. I have to click, and then Control V, and it will paste my poem in here. Okay. Now I'm going to go back up here and go to my paragraph. Unfortunately, we don't have cute fonts in here. So I'm going to copy, Control C, go back here to my binder, and I'm going to click inside, Control V, and there's my paragraph. So I'm going to get rid of all this empty space. So I'm just going to delete here at the bottom. I'm just deleting this space on the bottom. Okay. Now, when I click off of this, that's exactly what it's going to look like. So when I go to publish, because I've already published once before, so when I go to publish these new changes, it's going to say, this is what is currently published, and this side is all the changes that you just made. Okay, so it looks the same, but if we scroll up, this is the new one. See, this is the draft. This is the new one I just posted. This is the one that's currently published. So no one can see this until I publish it. So I'm going to say, yep, this is what I want. And I'm going to go up here and click publish again. Okay, so now I have my picture, I have my poem, I have my paragraph. So what I want to do now for my tablet is I want to click this little down arrow next to publish, and I want to say view published site. View published site. Okay, so now do you see how over here I don't have that editing bar? This is my actual published site. So what I want to do is I want to take a screenshot of this. So I'm going to screenshot this, and everyone's device is different. And so if you need help learning how to screenshot on your device, let me know. I'm going to screenshot this, and I'm going to tell it to go to my desktop. Then I'm going to go back into here to my Google Classroom. I'm going to find assignment 109 eBinder homepage. And then I'm going to go to this Padlet. And this is kind of like a classroom bulletin board. So I'm going to look in here. My last name is Wong. So this is going to be my column right here. So I'm going to click the plus, and then I'm going to just say, I'm not going to even add a title because my name is already there. I'm going to add a picture by uploading it. So I'm going to click this upload, and it's going to say, well, where do you want to get it from? So I'm going to say, I need to pick my file. And then it's going to ask me, where do I want to get it? Well, I know my picture is here on my desktop. So I'm just going to double click the screenshot I just took. It's going to take 1 second to upload. Okay, and it looks like someone else is in here, and it does say anonymous. It's not saying your name right now. So I do want you guys to go in and title it your name. So I will title it Dana Wong, and then where it says write something, I'm going to say e-binder home page. And then I can click anywhere to get off of it, and there it is. So now pretty soon we're going to have lists and lists and lists and rows of all of our e-binders. Okay, I knew we could do this, guys.